So breach preparedness and response can help an organization get ready for the eventual attack. You know an attacker is going to get there, either an external or an internal threat. By shoring up the controls and making sure it's harder for them to get to a tier 0 or a high value target, you minimize the chances of severe critical damage to Active Directory. Of course, that's the keys to the kingdom. During an attack, there's nothing like being able to pull out a domain controller into an isolated environment, analyze what the attacker has done, and either kick them out or prepare to kick them out once all their other tools are off the environment, and secure Active Directory into a tiering model. Once that's done, then you can roll back into production and the attacker is completely out of the environment. Simply removing their Cobalt Strike or whatever tools that might reside in the environment does not sufficiently take an attacker out of an environment. And that's one of the common things that we see. And then, of course, after an attack, if you bring Active Directory back from a backup or even build from scratch, you need to take a serious look at securing Active Directory so that it doesn't happen again, because it will.